Hello, welcome. A quick one on this episode 3 of a combination tutorial. We have to find a number of ways to purchase 3 different kinds of juice from a selection of 10 different juice. So this we have to think of whether the order of arrangement or selection is important. Let's just say we have orange juice, tomato juice, which people take. So and we have apple juice. If I buy tomato juice first before buying orange juice, at the end of it all, I am having tomato and what? Orange juice. The order of purchase does not matter. So since the order of purchase does not matter, it means it's a combination. So this is going to be the number of ways of, let's just say, combination. Combination of what? 10 different objects taking how many? 3 at what? A time is given by, we are going to have 10 combination what? 3. Remember what we've learned from the previous episode? This is just 10 times 9 times 8 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. And that simply means this go here 4. This go there 3. So 12 times that will give me 120 ways. So there are 120 different ways by which we can select 3 juice from a pool of 10 juice. This is a combination. The order of arrangement does not matter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.